Look at these little pupsters. We just finished cleaning their pen. They are having the best time playing with their toys. They played so hard they had to get a drink. Now back to the fun. For some reason, they love a clean litter box. That's where they take their toys to lay down and play with them. Sometimes that's a disaster because the litter box isn't that clean and they get a little poopy on their toys. But they get washed every day anyway, so that doesn't really matter. They're eating like crazy. You can see their bowls are stripped clean. Growing like little puppy weeds. Well, that's all for this morning. One last quick look. There you go, there's Nellie. Best wishes to all. Thanks. Bye-bye.